Alright, we are here at Walmart and as usual, I'm here at the plant section. Yeah. I took one of these caladium here because this caladium that I bought last year, I don't know if it's gonna grow back because it died. But anyway, I took one of it and I'm still planning if I would like to get some of these other varieties, but I think not. But anyway, let's go look from here. There's more plants here, and look, there are orchids all over here, but I'm not sure if I wanted to get one. I like these colors though. They look sad. I think last time, 2 weeks ago when we went here, it's already here. So, oh, look what I got here. This is so nice. How I wish I could get one right now. This is a philodendron white wizard. That's the name of it. So, how I wish I could get one. Maybe I can. There's another one here. It's so plenty growth here. Maybe I can just get this one. And look here. What is this? The ring of fire. Oh wow. Yeah, I saw this last time we went here, but I did not get any because I'm not allowed to get yet. It's still winter. But anyway, there's here a pink princess and they look sad already, but this is an anthurium. It's so huge leaves, but like I said, I'm not allowed to get any plants yet. But a little later, I will ask husband if he could get me those too. Anyway, let's go to the other side. All right, I'm gonna park here. These are the little bitty ones. And I think this is lipstick. I don't remember what's the name of this one, but this here has a name. This is a teardrop pepperoni. There are more plants here. Ooh, I would like to get some. Oh, look at these. This is the white knight. Philodendron white knight. This is not philodendron. This is alocasia. See, that's alocasia. Alocasia ninja. They labeled this incorrect. This one here. This is not the label of this one. So, but anyway, let's just put it back there. And look here. The mellow light. Alocasia mellow light. So pretty. Look at these leaves. It's so pretty. It has a new leaf coming out. So these are cactuses here. Alright. So anyway. Okay. So, ooh, I got this one, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I got this. This is a I forgot the name. What's the name of it? Carnosa. Hoya carnosa. Okay. And there's more there. Anyway, Oh look, they got this one here too. What's the name of it? It's a I can't see the name. I don't remember the name. That's the problem of me. I could not remember the names. This Monstera Cobra, that's what it is. See, Monstera Cobra. So, this has a variegation too. It's got a white speckles. Anyway, they got this raven here. This is how it looks like when the leaves are mature. So, like I said, we're going to go outside because there's more out there. See? So, let's go there. And I hope that these music will not affect me. Oh, oops. Alright, let's see here first. Yup, look at that. It's 3 macaroni, 354. And these are snapdragon. That's how it looks. Look at these flowers. They're so beautiful. Yeah, these are snapdragon and this is marigold. Oh gosh. I got this wild growing in my property. So this is pansy. So this is how it look. I have those wild growing in our property. I didn't know that's the name of it. But anyway, these are the plants here, right here. And look how beautiful they are. They are annuals and they're growing so nicely. Look how beautiful those flowers are. They're different flowers. Look at that. I like this yellow one and that blood red there. So pretty. Okay. You know, I have these flowers in my yard and I just mowed it all the time. I didn't know it sells so. Look how much. It's $3.54 for each one of it. Oh, look at these. How pretty. Are you sure that's the flower of it? Yeah, that's the flower of it. It's so pretty. What's the name of this? Ranunculus. That's the name. I didn't know that's the name. It's so pretty. Oh no, how I wish I can get one. But I'm not allowed to get one yet. Oh, because we're still gonna have a frozen weather. Oh, these are herbs here, right here, and some are not herbs though, but most of it are herbs. That side and even those side there are roses there, but these are just a little grass. I have this grass all over our yard. This one doesn't have though. But these, we have these in our yard. These are just the grass. Look how beautiful this is. So beautiful. And that's the name of that plant, Scabiosa. So let's go move up here. Oh, so nice. This here. Look how pretty. I'm gonna go back a little later and take a picture of these flowers because they're just so beautiful. Alright. I'm sorry. I still have my cough and I'm still trying to fight it. These are tulips and look at this yellow one. And there's one here that's already blooming. So beautiful. So these are tulips. They don't have that other type of flowers yet, but how I wish we are at a different store. This Walmart is not the big Walmart here in Texas. And look at these. This is fuchsia, and look how beautiful the flowers. That's so nice. So beautiful flowers. I really, really like this geranium, and look at that. Okay, I'm gonna move here. These are just regular plants. I already got those, but most of them died as usual. It's not so happy to say that, but that's what happened with my other plants. These are just bushes. This here is called gardenia, but in Philippines we call it rosal. We used to have this in our yard when we were kids, and the flowers just smell so delicious. And these are the big ones. All right, so and here we go. They have these trees. They're already growing. See, it already has growth right there. It's gonna grow. So, but yes, that's all for today's video, and I hope you like my big store tour video. How I wish I could get one. I still want to wish, but I am really wanting to get that 2 plants right there, because if you are going to buy it online, they're so expensive. So I'm going to ask hubby, Equip Yourself Life Skill, if he could get me one. I mean, those 2. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching my video, and I always treasure your support of me and of course on my channel. And before I end this video, I would like to show you again these beautiful flowers right here. So anyway, thank you everyone, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.